Full setup gaming PC build under 30,000 rupees. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 4600G. Price 10,999. Motherboard MSI B450 MA Pro Max. Price 5,499. RAM XPG GameX D30 1,886 rupees. Storage Western Digital SN570 500GB. Price 4,731 rupees. Pause play Anti-Sports VS 450L. Price 1,889 rupees. Cabinet Zeronix ZM Mid Tower Gaming Cabinet. Price 1,799 rupees. Monitor Acer EK220Q 21.5 inches monitor. Price 5,198 rupees. Keyboard mouse combo and Feluk KK1002 combo. Price 538 rupees. Total price of the PC build 32,539 rupees. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe.